Life lessons about human nature. People act out of self interest. Even kindness can carry hidden motives. Second, we judge before we understand. Quick assumptions are hardwired. Empathy takes efforts. Third, fear drives more decisions than logic. We often prioritize, safety, comfort, social approval over truth. Fourth, humans are prone to hypocrisy. When insulated from suffering, it's easier to ignore or harm others. Fifth, people love stories more than the facts. Sixth, we crave control over others. Seventh, memory and perception are unreliable. We distort events to favor ourselves or justify our choices. Eighth, human fear the unknown more than the danger. The mind often invents threats where none exists.